Okay guys, now we're in the tab section of the channel settings. When you click this button here, this featured one, these appear, and that's three different like themes, three different designs. This is the default one. This one, Blogger, is the one I like best, and this one a lot of people prefer, and I'm going to show you the differences between them, okay? So we'll start with the overview one. So what we can do right now, we'll just click Done Editing. And you can see here we get an option to add channels, okay? But if I go over to where it says featured and then I click back again, you're going to see some differences, okay? Just click both and you can see the differences when it happens, okay? So it's asking, do you want to create a playlist, do you want to upload a video, record a video from webcam, remix or Creative Commons, or create an animated slideshow. They have tools. YouTube has tools that you can do that with. They have tools that you can remix a Creative Commons video, and you can do webcam through their software here and just upload directly into YouTube, or you can upload a video, or you can create a playlist. It's far better in this situation when you've got an empty channel to start using the playlist creator and build some relevancy. What you're doing there is you're doing curation, and you're doing it with relevancy around the keywords, and you're putting your video as a thumbnail at the top, okay? So what I want to do is, I prefer the featured, and you can see here, I've got two options here now for other channels, okay? If I click on that, and I click on that, that is very, very cool, okay? Because what we can do here, you can write something like, video marketing channels, for example. I would do YouTube SEO channels, and I could start off with my own. Okay, so I can put in here HTTP youtube.com/user/your channel name. So I can put YouTube SEO Commando. Hold on a second, that was the last video, just finished that. Okay, so I've got here, just make sure I've spelled it right. YouTube SEO Commando. Click on that. I've done a typo somewhere, but I don't see where. No, I don't see where. Take that from there because I've done a typo that I don't see. Paste that. So I've got YouTube SEO and done. Yeah, I must have had a typo there. Okay, so I'm going to put myself first, and then I want to put the authority site right behind me. Okay, so what I want to do then is get this guy, Real SEO. He's going to autoplay, and I'm going to take his channel username here. Now, if anybody watched the WordPress SEO Blueprint, you will have seen me building authority links when we were doing the WordPress site, when we were building. I'm using the same principle here, and what we're doing is we're kind of giving an internal YouTube outbound link to this guy by putting him here, okay? But what we're also doing, we're making ourselves relevant to what he's got, okay? And we're putting him right behind us, okay? Next one we can do, just close this one off, go over here. Carl, I know pretty well. Take him, let's take him.
Hi guys, Carl from carlvanderpower.com. In this video, what I'm going to show you is how to install the free JW player so you can play videos.
You're thinking it's too hard, too expensive, and it takes too long.
Now, in case you're wondering how I find these channels, okay, I've got to know the niche quite well by now. Hold on, there's something still playing here somewhere. Oh, this guy. The other way you can do it is you can go over to this site here called Topsy.com, and it searches Twitter for particular keywords, but it gives you the latest results. And because it's Thanksgiving in America, I think a lot of the big guys are just not showing up here right now. But if I go deeper and deeper, we'll find them. And the other way to find them is through Twitter, and you can type in something here like YouTube. And when you start typing that, these people are starting to show up here. So this YouTube 24/7, never seen them before. Casey I've seen before. YouTube Trends I don't want. YouTube Spain I don't want. And we can put SEO and just do the search. This one, Web SEO Analytics. I should follow him anyway. I did this by mistake in the last video. I thought I was typing in the search box and I was typing over here because I was doing the video. I tweeted YouTube SEO. This guy must think I'm a bit mad or something. Kind of funny. Well, a lot of the big guys are just not showing right now. And look, I've added a whole ton of videos here. Wow. Well, good job I did it when everybody's on holiday. And all I did is I released a lot of videos that were previously unlisted on the Kiss I Am site. So you can see here this one. I've never seen this one, YouTube 24/7. Let's see what they've got there. No, there's nothing really to do with SEO, it's just about YouTube. It's not interesting it's not relevant, it's not interesting. That's what I did, but you're going to find who the top guys are. And I'm going to show you another method where you can find these guys, and a very, very cool method as well. Something that we will be using, okay? So this guy, look at where he's done his banners and stuff here. Later I'm going to show you how you can make things clickable in the banners as well. Anyway, I keep wandering off, don't I? Right, so I'm going to take Carl, and I'm going to put him into my channel. Put here. The whole thing about doing this as well is, you know, with the way YouTube is, with the way the web is now, I mean, SEO is more or less it's just too unpredictable, although YouTube is far more predictable than anything else right now, but that might change. So what we're going to do, and what they're rewarding us for, is being social. And by putting these guys' channels, featuring those guys' channels, they might reciprocate, they might not reciprocate. Maybe after Tube SEO Commando is being launched, maybe they'll think, oh, okay, I'm going to add this guy, or I'm going to feature his video, or whatever. They might not know of me too well. Carl knows me because we were in a Skype group together before. So hopefully he will do something. Let me just pause this one. Casey is very, very good. He's got the webinar plugin, which is a really good product that he was selling really, really cheap today. So that's building more relevancy there. This guy, I hadn't heard of him before the other day when I did the search. I'm going to show you how that's done a bit later. And you can add more people, but you just want to build a bit of relevancy right now. Just add a few of them, don't need to add them all. And we'll take this guy as well, Ian Shelwick. I think he did something about video blogging, if I'm not mistaken. Right, okay, so that's enough there now. Right, but we have another option. Don't forget to save it, don't forget to click apply. I did that one time and I had to go back and do them all. Right, so we can do some other channels. We can do something like SEO channel, so it's still keeping the relevancy. And if we're doing that, then I can come over to here. Let me expand this a little bit. Oh, Mark DeLeese, guy behind Shipful. HubSpot is good. My podcast, not really SEO, but I can change that name in a second. Now where's SEO mod? Yeah, Moz HQ. And I like to stick something interesting in as well, like TED Talk, okay? Pick the one with the most subscribers. And Ed Dale's challenge, very, very good. Right, some of this. That's what happens when you put things on autoplay. We'll cover that in a second, and I'll tell you exactly why they do that. They don't do it to piss people off, there's a strategy behind it. Okay, so we'll call this one SEO and online marketing channel. Okay, I can't get all that, that's fine. SEO on internet marketing. No, doesn't let me do that either. Yeah, best SEO marketing channels. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I like these people, they do great content. HubSpot, if you've never ever heard of them, I don't know what I did again. If you've never heard of them, it's worth checking them out. I'm just going to your picture, just browse videos, just take the user and for their channel. So we just keep building the relevancy. I like these people from my podcast. And we're going to cover guest blogging as well with video. Which nobody really talks about. I've been talking about that for 6-7 months at least. Maybe a bit longer. You can get a lot of traffic with video, guest blogging. I'll show you exactly how to do it. So we've got SEO mods in there, we put Mark in there as well. And that one, we'll put Ed Dale. What you could do is have your own channels up here and other people, the relevancy channels down here. Do whatever way you want. And we're going to look at the rest of the themes as well, just doing this while I'm here, because we're going to have to cover it at some point. And I'm going to stick one interesting one, which Ted is very, very interesting too. Never heard of it. Okay, that's done. Click apply, don't forget. Okay, so we're done now. And we've got this whole section set up here. Okay, now you can keep it like that where you've got 2 sets of channels and it looks quite good. What we can do here is we've set this to featured, where we can add feature video or we can add shelves. Okay, popular uploads, what we can do is choose something from there, or we can choose from playlists. Popular uploads, no, I don't think I want it. Recent posts, recent activities, no, I don't like that either. We will put a feature video in a few minutes, but not right now. We're going to browse videos, and we've got the playlist thing that we can choose, okay? And what happens is when you go into the browse videos, that second one disappears. You see the difference? So if I'm in the featured, we've got them here, but there's no option here. Yeah, we've got option for playlist. Interesting. It might well be for your authority channel that you're better to choose recent uploads, but then there's no place to put the playlist if you do that. Okay, so that's the difference with this particular theme. Let's go and check out some other themes. This one, Blogger, this is my favorite one, okay? And you can put the default tab that you want to show. You can choose feature, the uploads of the feed, okay? I like to do the feature tab. So let's go and see what that looks like. And when we come in here, we've got ability to add playlists. So when we add our playlist, we can choose from here in a drop down menu any or all of them, and that will show up in little boxes like I have got. Where was it? My previous one I had the playlist. That must be for some more. Yeah. You see the way I've done this here with the playlist. These are I'm calling them categories now. So I've got training videos, friends and guest video bloggers, tips and tricks, training videos for social media, super simple niches, which was a course, and just some basic things there. Plus I've still got some channels, but I didn't overdo it with this one, okay? Right, so let's go back. And we know that we can add playlists in here, and we can put in here featured video, or we can put in here the playlist as well. You can do both. I will explain these when we start doing them. Okay, there's some things to explain here as well. And let's just go back. Actually, we can click on the browse videos while we're here, and you can see that you've got some options here as well to put the playlist, upload a video. I would always choose to do the featured. Always choose to do the featured and make it autoplay, which we'll show you how to do that. And the reason for that is when people arrive on your channel, it makes the video autoplay, and that will increase your views. That's why they do it. That's why those channels that we just opened up, some of them were doing that. Okay. Right now, if we go back into the channel settings again, go into tabs. Now we'll have a look at this one. Done editing. Come over, and you can see here how that looks. It's kind of neat, and a lot of people really like it. And we can put in a featured video, and we can add playlists as well. And so the playlist will be here, and then these will be at the bottom, which is kind of cool. So let's just upload a video anyway while we're here. Let's just go back to my name. What's a video? Actually, you can just click here. Video manager. Let's upload a video. YouTube SEO Blueprint. Let's go to. If you're wondering what this is, men's faces. I nicked a bunch of faces from Flickr from my Google Plus account. Let's go into intro videos, and let's pick something interesting from there. Best practices. Okay, I'm not going to do that one. Go in here, one of the sales videos maybe. Let's take the overview. Or the warning about chip toolbox. I won't make any friends, but I'm launching a video marketing software, and these guys had a whole bunch of people complaining last week that they lost their channels, and some of these people had, you know, like 1 million views and 150,000 subscribers. One of my customers had that situation. So it's just relevant for me, and it's not to knock them, but I have to protect my launch as well. So I did a video, but I haven't released it yet. Anyway, so in the description you can see the things that we had set up before. You can see automatically these get set up. So what I can do in here is the toolbox, and I'll do some other ones for SEO. If you hit the comma then after that, it works, okay? The video, comma. If I want to do these, for example, you can even do these as well. Copy. You can even paste. Oh, what happened there? Let me try that again. That doesn't like me. Okay, fine. Take away the www. You can put the domain name in there. I can take my name. There we go. And just keep building it up like that. Okay, but I don't want to go too far with that. And you can see here what I've done is I've got the YouTube SEO as the first part. Now I've already got links down here, so what I want to do here is write if you want more information about YouTube. Have you ever seen anybody doing more titles? Or you like me as well? Please visit my channel page and subscribe. Right, okay. Free. YouTube. Right, we do have 5,000 characters that we can put in there, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm going to keep this public. Choose a category. That could have been set in the settings as well. I missed that one, okay. And this one I'm going to make news. I'm not going to make it how to, because it's not how to video. And make sure you come and save the changes here. Then you can go into the advanced settings. And you can see there's usually 3 tabs here. One is for monetization. I did not choose for monetization. I didn't want it. You can see the location is here when I typed in Pattaya before. So it saves a little bit of time. Put today's date in there, keep it relevant and let people know when. And I think Google likes this. And caption certification you can kind of ignore unless you're using some copyrighted stuff. I don't want to go too deeply into that because I don't fully understand it, but it's kind of self-explanatory if you want to go and have a look at that. And allow embedding, not this video, I don't want to allow embedding in here. And I can add here to a playlist as well, so I can start creating a playlist now. So create a playlist, make it public, and give the playlist a name. I'm going to put YouTube SEO news, for example. Create a playlist. So I've got a playlist that's only got one video, but it's something. What else we need to do in here? You can click on the share button. We don't really need to do that right now. If you click on that, you can send it to any of these. You can send it over to Google+. I don't want to do that with this video right now. Let's go back over. Just make sure I've got everything there. Now, when you've got your video done, it kind of auto saves itself down here. When you've got your video done, best thing is to go back over to the channel settings. Oh, the actual channel, sorry, not channel settings. So we want to see our channel, and here we can add a featured video. Now I've only got one video, which is that one. I can choose to have the featured video be the most recent video, or just keep this one. I want to keep this one, but what I want to do is when I come down here, automatically start playing, yeah, because I want to increase the views. Prevent ads from showing, yeah, I don't want ads on there. I'll click buy, and there we go. So you can see that's starting to come together now. Yeah, we can add a playlist. We've only got one playlist that we just created. So we can have this one, upload videos will always be there, and we've got one other one. So now we've got video, we've got playlists, and then we've got these feature channel, and you will be there right first, which is pretty cool. And you're just associating yourself with the authority figures in your niche, right? See the importance of that, okay? If we go into the browse videos, all you're going to see is just what you've uploaded, but you will also be able to click on playlists, feed. This will tell you anytime you do anything like a video, or favorite a video, or upload a video or a playlist, whatever, and this will tell you any comments that you got on your channel. Okay, and it's important that we cover all of these in depth later, but not right now. I don't want to cover it right now. I think this video is going on a bit too long. So the channel settings is all done. I'm going to keep it like this for now, and if you click on here, the feed button, activities you will share. You will share whether you like a video, comment a video, favorite a video, subscribe. That's what we covered before when we were doing the YouTube settings, if you remember. And feed settings, you can click don't display until approved. I'm going to leave these. I think I might just actually, this is for this is on the feeds of where we were just a second. I'll show you in a second. Let me just save this. Okay. If I go into the browse videos again and I go where it says feed, it will tell you what I've done. And if I like something or favorite something or whatever, load up a playlist, the feed will say what you've done. So keep it in there because it's kind of relevancy building throughout your channel. Okay. So that's the 3 themes, and you can see there's a bit of a difference between them. Did I cover the other one? The 3rd one? I think I did, didn't I? Yeah, we did. We did all 3. I'm just checking. Right, now I think that's enough for this video. It's been kind of long. I hope you got some value out of this one, and I'll see you in the next video.